Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's query is write a SQL query to find the customer with highest total expenditure, display customer ID and total expenditure by him or her. Now, to write this query, we have a table, orders table. So, in orders table, for each customer ID, we have delivery time, order ID, restaurant ID and their total cost. The output expected here is we want the customer ID who has the highest total expenditure. Let's write the query. Select customer ID. Next, to find the total expenditure, I'm using a function sum. Sum of total cost. I'm naming this as total expenditure. From orders table, group by customer ID. Now I'm sorting the data using total expenditure in descending order so that the highest total expenditure will be on the top. Order by total expenditure descending. But we want the one customer ID who has highest total expenditure. So top one customer ID, then we get the highest total expenditure customer ID. Let's run the query. So we got customer ID and the total expenditure. We can also solve this using CTE with CTE as select customer ID, comma. Now we want total expenditure. So sum of total cost, naming this as total expenditure from orders table. Group by customer ID. Now let's write our main query. Select customer ID, comma, total expenditure from CT. Now we want the highest total expenditure. So for that we are writing a filter where total expenditure equals to, and writing a small subquery to find the highest total expenditure. Select max of total expenditure from city. Now let's run the query. So we got customer ID and the total expenditure. Let's solve another query. Write a SQL query to find average salary of employees at each salary level. Salary level are defined as per below. If salary is bit less than 50,000, then it is low. If it is between 50,000 and 1 lakh, then it is medium. If salary is greater than 1 lakh, then it is high. And round the average to nearest integer and display the output in ascending order of salary level. To write this query, we have a table employees. In the table of employees, we have employee ID, employee name and salary. The output expected here is we have to define 3 salary levels, low, medium and high based on the employee salary and find the average of salary for the each salary level. Let's write the query with CTE as Select salary. Next define the salary levels. Case when salary less than 50,000, then low. When salary between 50,000 and 1 lakh, then medium. Else we consider that as high. And I'm naming this as salary level. From employees, let's write main query. Select, we want salary level. Now we want average of salary. Average of salary. Now we want to round off this average salary to nearest integer. For that I am using a function round. Round off average of salary, comma 0. This will round off the average of salary to nearest integer. I am naming this as average salary from city. Group by salary. Group by salary level. Order by salary level ascending. Let's run the query. We got salary levels and their average salary levels. Thank you.